Okay. God, this is going so quickly. This has been great. Thank you, everyone who's been here. And, oh, I love you guys. Love you. You're amazing. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Yeah. So, okay. Oh, which one? Do you think we're ready for a little sing along? Right. You ready for that? Yeah. Cool. It's really simple. You'll get it. You'll get it when I start singing it. But this song is it's called the Lazy Song, which is quite ironic because yeah, the fact that it is quite a lazy song that I wrote. This is another one I wrote in like 20 minutes, but I don't have a second verse because it's a lazy tune that I don't need a second verse for. Anyway, I'm quite embracing your lazy side. Here it goes. Maybe I need a holiday for longer than a week, and maybe I should go somewhere hot and somewhere sunny, somewhere I can be alone, and somewhere I don't need much money, cause all I'll be doing is nothing. Is that really too much to ask? Is that okay? Just nothing, cause being lazy is where it's at. Oh yeah, it's great, just ignoring everybody is like ice cream. All I want is food and sleep and on my phone. Maybe I need a holiday for longer than a week, or maybe I should go somewhere hot and somewhere sunny, somewhere I can be alone, somewhere I don't need much money, cause all I've been doing is nothing. Is that really too much to ask? Is that okay? Just nothing, cause being lazy is where it's at. Oh yeah, it's great, just ignoring everybody is like ice cream. All I want is food and sleep and we all smashed that one. Come on. Thank you. Don't worry, I'm doing three. I'm doing 3 more songs. Hey. Okay. I'm gonna do this one. This song that I'm gonna do next is actually one that I still enjoy playing the most, and it's I wrote this when I was in Portugal, and I went to the beach, and I was in this like little meditative state, feeling really, really great about life, and this song just came to me, and I was like, oh, I feel present right now. This is what life is about, and about like kind of just not having to deal with everything all the time, like back in your daily life, all the busyness and everything. Sometimes you just need that time to chill. So this is what this is about, and it's called Coming Back to Me, and this is another one that you might want to sing along to. Also, Sophie's here with what is that called again? What is it, a washboard? Literally that you wash clothes on. Like, that's literally what it is, but she's using it as a percussion, which is great. I love it. Give it up for Sophie, everyone. So good. Okay, let's do this one. I always feel the need to do what's happening next. Am I making moves? But maybe I should be with what's in front of me. I wonder if I could be still for once. Look out to the sea, face up to the sun. Maybe I could be alone in solitary. If I put down my devices and feel the earth below, sacrifice my vices for this girl I want to know. If I embrace the silence, just feel what's in my soul, and let go and invite in this girl I want to know. Would I feel her coming back to me? Would I feel her coming back? Or would I feel her coming back to me? Or would I feel her coming back? Or would I feel her coming back to me? Would I feel her coming back? Would I feel her coming back to me? Or would I feel her coming back? Yeah, yeah, yeah. No, 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 no. Yeah, 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 yeah. I almost got on the wrong train to a place unknown where my heart's not safe. I nearly drowned out there under the waves, but I had to know if I'd sink or swim, and if I'd return with a thicker skin, I had to go out there to come back again. If I put down my devices and feel the earth below, I sacrifice my vices for this girl I want to know. If I embrace the silence, just feel what's in my soul, and let go and invite in this girl I want to know. Would I feel her coming back to me? Would I feel her coming back? Would I feel her coming back to me? Or would I feel her coming back? Or would I feel her coming back to me? Or would I feel her coming back? Or would I feel her coming back to me? Or would I feel her coming back? Hey, 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 no. If I put down my devices and feel the earth below, I sacrifice my vices for this girl I want to know. If I embrace the silence, just feel what's in my soul, and let go and invite in this girl I want to know. Would I feel her coming back to me? Would I feel her coming back? Or would I feel her coming back to me? Would I feel her coming back? Or would I feel her coming back to me? Would I feel her coming back? Would I feel her coming back to me? Yeah. Would I feel her coming back? No, 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 no. Hey, hey, hey. Would I feel her? Would I feel her? Would I feel her coming? Yeah, 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 Thank you, Aaron. Okay. Oh, this has been lovely. This has been so good. I'm playing another set here. Yeah, here actually, Floating Lotus again. Aren't they great? Having me twice over the weekend. Sunday, 6:30 p.m. You want to hear me again? I'm on again. And I'm also at Boomtown next weekend. I don't know, is anyone at Boomtown next weekend? A few people. Yeah, I'm going to be playing on the Wednesday around the Sacred Fire in the evening, and also on the Thursday at like 1 p.m. somewhere. And I've got a couple more as well. It's been mad. I love doing all these festivals. But I don't know how, I see some people literally like doing them every single weekend. I'm like, I need a fucking break here and there. Also to appreciate it fully. The Green Gathering is actually one of my favourites though, and they've been really, really supportive of me. I played for the first time last year, and yeah, they're just like, yeah, they're fucking great. Great for artists, you know, like, big up Green Gathering. Okay, this next song, I wrote this after coming back from America. I was there to do some music stuff, and I went to LA, and it was a very different world, obviously, to being here. and I just wrote this song about feeling like a weirdo in LA, and it's called Alien. Have a music video to this and everything of me dressed like an alien that you can go check out. But yeah, here it is. It's another one you can sing along to if you fancy it. I wander up and down the neighborhood, nothing like London streets so far from us. They don't see grey skies, only blue. No rolling hills, only mountain views. I'm sure they all can tell that I'm from somewhere else. I got a traveler's sign on my forehead, eyes open wide and my skin red. Too much sun for this English girl. Must think I'm an alien. Gaze to the sky, show my eyes from the light, see her complexion. She ain't one of us, not in my home location. Must think of mine cause I can't stop smiling, and I walk with patience on this la 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 universe. La 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 universe. La 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 universe. Hey, la 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 universe. La 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 la. Crossing the road looking the wrong way, not cut for Google Maps keeping me safe. What would we do without technology? The motivation still they ain't hard to beat. I'm sure they all can tell that I'm from somewhere else. I got a traveler's sign on my forehead, eyes open wide and my skin red. Too much sun for this English girl. Must think I'm an alien. Gaze in the sky, shoot my eyes from the light, see her complexion. She ain't one of us, not in my home location. Must think of mine cause I can't stop smiling, and I walk with patience on this la 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 universe. La 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 universe. Sing it everyone. La 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 la, yeah. Universe. La 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 universe. La 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 la. Let me hear you. Let me the birds, yeah. La 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 la, universe. La 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 universe. La 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 la. Must think I'm an alien. Gaze at the sky, show my eyes from the light, see her complexion. She ain't one of us, not in my home location. Must think of mine cause I can't stop smiling, and I walk with patience on this la 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 universe. La 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 la. Yay, thank you. Oh, it's so satisfying when you're like, sing along and everyone sings along. Fuck for that. Thank you everyone. Stream it, yeah. Oh, okay, so I'm actually come to the last song now. Oh, no, this has been amazing. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Floating Lotus, Paul and Alan, for having me. Big up those guys. Yeah, 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 yeah. And sound guys, behind the sound desk. Thank you guys. Excellent job, amazing. Sounds really good up here and out there, I think. Yeah, does it sound good? Yeah, I think it, yeah, cool. Give it up for Elliot as well, everyone. It's been a while since he's played Cajon with me, and he's smashing it. And just knows all the right places to go, it's good. Nice one. Okay, I'm gonna end with Keep Running. This one you can also stream this one, there's also a video to this one. But yeah, come and say hi afterwards, everyone. Come say hello, and yeah, thank you so much. Big love, and have an amazing listening festival. Today, I got a lease of life, I feel okay. I need to call around, get them all out, jump in the car and get on the way. Cause it's love and the strength in numbers. They can try but they're never gonna run us down, down. Speakers loud, it's like we're on a come up. Big gear but they're never gonna race us down, down. I'm alive on a high, blue skies, there's nothing better. Hands up, we're on a ride, hold tight, we're laughing together. Ooh, we're live. running, running. Hey, take up and keep running. Hey. Take a stop at the riverside, crack 'em open, pass around the light. Breathe it in and out, bring our guards down. Yeah, this is ours for the day and the night. Cause there's love and the strength in numbers. They can try, but they're never gonna run us down. Speak as loud, it's like we wanna come up. We give, but they're never gonna brace us down. I'm alive on a high, blue skies, nothing better. Heads up, we wanna ride, hold tight, laughing together. Ooh, we light it up and ooh, we can't be stopped. And oh, you can't hear us coming. Oh, we take up and keep running, running. Keep running. Hey. Oh, we're lighting up and oh, we can't be stopped. And oh, you can't hear us coming. Oh, take up and keep running. Take up and keep running. Keep running, running. Thank you so much, everyone. That was awesome. Thank you. Thank you for singing along to that as well. Thanks. Are you sure you want one more song? Are you sure though? I don't know. I'm not convinced. Am I allowed one more song?
3 more songs!
Go on then, I'll do one more. Okay. Okay. Yeah, the extended version, yeah. Okay. Alright, I'm gonna do this one. This is called Pop Idol. This is like one of my oldest songs.
I love this song.
I get my kicks out of making music about love. I am flamboyant and unique and never scared of going on screen. We got attitude, and this is what we choose. Oh, I don't care for the mainstream or living in a pub. I don't dream. I just need passion and the blues to enjoy sound. Stay true. Art is serious. Gimmicks and flashy displays. I like things old school when bands learn to play now. We have the copycats and wannabe stars who think it's cool to write about their money and cars. So where the good times gone and where has society gone wrong? Oh, I don't care for the mainstream or living in the pop idol dream. I just need passion and the blues to enjoy sound. Stay true. Art is serious, not a mediocre art. Oh, I got all the soul, but I make money too. Yes, if I'm a sellout, then you're just confusing. If people like it, then what is the deal? I'm a musician, not a product with a show real way. Have a good time gone and where has society gone wrong? Oh, I don't care for the mainstream or living in the pop idol street. I just need enjoy. Sound, stay true. All is serious. Not immediate. I get my kicks out of making music about love. I am flamboyant and unique, never scared of going on screen. We've got